Your severe weather outlook here in this early part of October keeps things rather active in the central U.S. with some shower and thunderstorm activity, maybe some locally heavy rain and flooding, and a couple of isolated strong storms. But this is all developing in the outer periphery of some record heat in the southeast, and we're also going to be tracking the tropics. There is a wave of energy that will be drifting west over a 5-day period. At this point, just a low probability of tropical formation as it drifts towards the Bay of Campeche into the weekend and early next week. In the meantime, again, things are rather quiet. How about this view from Glacier National Park? Of course, that storm dumping historic snowfall last weekend in parts of Montana, anywhere from 2 to 4 feet. That storm system, of course, is pushing off to the east now and did leave a little bit of snow for parts of northern Minnesota, but a lot of snow still on the ground over the northern Rockies and out in Montana. And again, any additional snowfall that we see there over the next 2 to 3 days should be pretty light. And again, as I mentioned, waking up to some snow in the far northern reaches of Minnesota and the Arrowhead. This was the view from Ash Lake, which is located near the international border. That storm system again is lifting to the north. Some showers and thunderstorms again erupting over the central U.S. over the last couple of days. More on that in a second, but critical fire weather concerns across Nevada and Utah with red flag warnings and fire weather watches right through the weekend. So that trailing cool front is really cooling things off, much cooler as you head farther north into the northern New England states, but ongoing heat and showers and thunderstorms might have a marginal severe threat near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania today. And another round of heavier rain moves into the Midwest as we get into Friday night and Saturday. That'll continue to add to what has been a very wet year thus far. Maybe some isolated flash flooding over far west Texas and New Mexico. And again, pockets of locally heavy rain continuing there. Meanwhile, very hot in the southeast today at Atlanta. You could have another record high as well as many other spots.